In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and analyze your financial data with Acuity Scheduling. Now, whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, understanding how to navigate and interpret reports can be incredibly valuable. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Acuity Scheduling website. You'll find the familiar login page waiting for you, and here's where you enter your credentials to access your account. Remember to input your username and password carefully, as these details will unlock the suite of tools you need to manage your scheduling tasks effectively. If you're having any trouble logging in, just double check your credentials or use the password recovery options provided. Once you're securely logged in and looking at your dashboard, it's time to locate the reports section. This is your gateway to a wealth of insightful data about your business operations. You can usually find the reports option tucked away in the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a range of reporting tools, each designed to give you a clear view of various aspects of your scheduling and financial activities. Take a moment to explore this section if you're curious, but for today, we'll focus specifically on revenue. In order to hone in on your financial performance, you'll need to click on the link labeled Revenue. This is generally located within the main reports area. By selecting this link, you'll gain access to detailed insights regarding your earnings. Understanding these figures can help you make informed decisions about your business, so spend some time familiarizing yourself with the layout and features available here. Now that you're viewing your revenue data, you might want to refine the information displayed to better suit your needs. Acuity provides you with flexible filtering options that allow you to customize the data by specific date ranges. This can be particularly helpful if you're analyzing trends over time or preparing for financial reviews. Simply adjust the date settings to your desired range to see how your revenues compare across different periods. If you want to take your analysis further or preserve the data for record keeping, Acuity offers an export feature. You can easily download your financial figures for offline viewing or to share with your team, accountant, or stakeholders. Just look for the export option typically found somewhere on the revenue report page and choose your preferred file format. This lets you maintain a thorough and orderly filing system outside of Acuity as well. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access and leverage the financial data available through Acuity Scheduling. By effectively utilizing these reporting tools, you can gain crucial insights into your business's financial health, aiding in better decision-making and strategic planning. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions you might have.